yo. Good. What's going on, man? Man, the worst mistake, man, I think people do with these dogs. Man, when you in competition, you like hog hunting and shit like that. Man, they stop feeding the bone. This right here. This motherfucking big thick ass real bone. I'm telling you. Give him that before dinner. That's a good before snack. And I ain't gonna stand here. I'm gonna just go in here to there. Oh, bone. Oh, got meat on it though. She pretty, baby. She the pregnant baby. Getting late. Shit, everybody in this little corner. Yeah, he do that all day. Yeah, he do that all day. Got my big goddamn hard ass bone though. Might not even feed him today. Might just let that bone sit on his stomach and feed him in the morning, you know. But when they ain't got no choice, they gotta go through it. You know what I'm saying? It's a reason. It's a reason I ain't a bite hard. It ain't cause he eat meat, motherfucker. I'ma just let you know that. Oh, shit. You want some goddamn mouth? Feed him a bone while you hungry. You gotta routine this shit. They gotta grow up doing this shit. Like, you can't just start now. You know what I'm saying? My dog been eating bones since puppies. You know. Hard ass bone. Not all of them, you know. But for the most part, they have. I know y'all remember his scary ass. Blackface. Come on, boy. Come on, Blackface. They say German Shepherd got. Come on, Blackface. Oh man, as soon as look at him. Damn bucket rolling, goddamn. Blackface, come on. Come on. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come on. Come here, boy. Blackface. He's still terrified, and I'm talking about. It's crazy. It's crazy. I ain't never fed a dog this long, and he's still like nervous of the person who feeds. No. Now I'm gonna tell you, he do better in the pen. But the thing is, damn much creeping around. I had to put the other bitch because I don't want to fuck around in the fucking little red nose bitch. She get knocked up by that motherfucker. And she ain't in heat, but shit, you know, dogs know before what we do. Come here, Blackface. Hey, boy. Hey. But that's enough of this shit. I don't know what the fuck it was before I got his motherfucker. But he went through some fucking real issues. Alright. Then we got OVO. I mean, damn, hot. Uber. It's crazy. Look at it. Motherfucker been jumping up, snatching trees out the damn limbs out the tree the whole time. He crazy than a motherfucker now. Yeah, just like Zebo used to. Just weird. Just lay down when you come by, stash shit and jump in trees and just work all goddamn day like Pepper. Shit, our one bone too short. I'm gonna go get them one. But hell, I ain't gonna show that. I'm gonna cut this motherfucking video off. I'm gonna let them, you know, gnaw on it. This shit start young. What kind of damn bug is that? Well, you better go for what you know, bitch. But yeah, hard bone when they can't eat. When they chew all the meat out of it, then it's just gnawing and biting on it. But that do it. Little tips of the trade, you know what I'm saying? From Big. Hope y'all appreciate that. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell.